most of the restaurants incorporate an indoor grill as part of their cooking apparatus. These grills resemble outdoor grills in that they are made up of a grid suspended over a heat source. They are more likely to use electric or gas-based heating elements for the grilling. When it comes to indoor grills, there's one feature that tops most people's lists: a smokeless construction. There are a large number of options available for making grilled foods in the kitchen, so you have to choose wisely by considering your requirements. So if you're searching for one, these are some of the best in the business right now. Take a look at the video description to find the links to these products and additional information. We are starting our list with the DeLonghi CGH1030D. It includes 7 cooking functions, which are contact grill and panini press, full open grill, full open griddle, half griddle, waffle mode, and an oven broiler mode. This unique grill features interchangeable sets of the high-performance grill and griddle plates to help you cook efficiently and healthy. The embedded heating elements create an evenly heated cooking surface with no hot spots, resulting in perfectly cooked food every time. This grill has a bright and easy to read display that can be monitored from a distance. Its integrated drip tray drains excess oil for healthier dishes as you cook. With the support of an innovative app, you can use a digital cookbook with suggested settings and recipes. However, with the unique Flex Press system, you can cook in a variety of ways, such as contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and a half griddle waffle mode, or even oven broiler mode, eliminating the need for additional appliances. Next up on the list, we have the Hamilton Beach 25331. It is an indoor searing grill with digital display and adjustable temperature controls. With the touch of a button, it sears meat at 500 degrees Fahrenheit to lock in flavor and juices for perfectly grilled results every time. The 100 square inch non-stick cooking surface lets you cook a variety of meats, veggies, or panini sandwiches at once. To sear meats, use the arrow buttons to select your desired cooking temperature. The grill will beep when the sear temperature 260 degrees Celsius is reached. You can sear food for 90 seconds and then automatically switch to the desired preset cooking temperature. Besides, continue cooking food until the desired internal temperature is reached. The George Foreman GRP1060B has an advanced George Tough non-stick coating that is 2 times more durable than previous models and removes the need for excess oil and butter. It offers dishwasher-safe removable grill plates, making cleanup that much easier. Also, it provides enough space for 4 servings and comes with a 1-inch adjustable hinge that accommodates a variety of cuts of meat and vegetables. Besides, the dishwasher-safe drip tray collects greasy runoff and allows it to cool down, making cleanup safe and straightforward. Moreover, it uses one indicator light that lets you know when your grill is plugged in, and the other shows when the grill is preheated and ready to cook up a tasty meal. The next product on the list is the Hamilton Beach 25361. It is easy to use. The indicator lights let you know when your grill is on and ready for use. The lid window lets you watch your food as it cooks, and the large non-stick cooking surface allows enough space to grill multiple items at once. It also comes with an extra large drip tray to catch excess juice or grease. It uses a removable non-stick plate and drip tray for easy dishwasher cleanup. The high heat searing temperature locks in juices and flavor, giving your meat better taste, texture, and appearance. Also, the adjustable temperature control lets you complete the cooking process without worrying about overcooking the heat that is too high. The drip pan is large enough to capture any juices that escape, and it easily slides out for cleaning. Meet up the all-new CUISINART GR-4N. It is a 5-in-1 griddler that can handle everything from pancakes to sausages, to grilled cheese to steaks, hamburgers, and paninis. You can use your grill in the closed position to cook everything from chicken and hamburger to juicy steaks. Double your grilling surface size by using the grill plates in the open position for a full grill. Its sturdy panini-style handle comes with hinged floating cover that adjusts to the thickness of the food. The integrated drip tray collects grease and is easy to store. This panini grill is constructed of brushed stainless steel with cool touch housing that helps prevent accidental burns. Also, the floating cover adjusts to food of different thicknesses, and the unit offers the option to use the grill or griddle or half of each. In addition, it has a power on indicator light that lets you know when the surface is hot and ready for cooking. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the Simply Living Products SLP SG1001. This portable indoor smokeless grill has been perfectly designed to sit on your countertop or store away when not in use. It produces zero smoke, allowing you to grill all of your food indoors without the smell of smoke polluting your entire apartment or home. The grill maintains a constant temperature of 446 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the whole cooking process. Your food will be grilled to perfection under the high temperature from the infrared heat with an authentic char grilled texture and barbecue grill marks. Its advanced infrared technology, together with the individual reflectors, guides the heat towards the grid, achieving delicious, evenly cooked food while leaving the grease tray cool enough to minimize the unpleasant smoke and grease spattering. On the other hand, its sizable non-stick grilling surface of 14 by 8 inches is ideal for 8 or more people.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.